Welcome to this channel. In this video, I want to show you how to solve the problem of temporary hold unsuccessful. As you can see, it says now that temporary hold approved, but initially here was add account disabled. We weren't able to place a temporary hold on your card. Try again or update your default payment method. If you try again, make sure that you have sufficient funds. So initially, as you can see here, the advert was not running. It was just active. You see that it's active, but it is not delivering. Nobody is seeing it and all that, and it's not spending the money. Now um if you come here, you see this temporary hold approved. What exactly it means is that Facebook was trying to check whether this particular account, when it runs advert and it up to the threshold for the account to pay, will we be able to pay the money? And when they checked, they thought there was no enough money in the card, so they said there's temporary hold unsuccessful. So when you have this problem, this is what I will advise you. First of all, come to your left hand corner, click on billing and payment. It brings you to the billing and payment. When you come to the billing and payment, scroll down and check the payment activity. When you look at the last payment activity, you see that here they were trying to deduct $11. So what it means is that they want to check. You see the threshold is 11. So what it means is that when we run advert and spend up to $11, they will deduct it. Okay, so when it ran, when they were about to before the advert will run, they were checking if there is enough money up to $11, and the account did not have up to that. So they said temporary hold unsuccessful and disabled the account. And so what did we do? We just topped up money in the account that is more than $11, and then I came and clicked on try hold again. Then the temporary hold has been approved. If you have the same problem, the first option I will advise you is to check how much they are trying to hold. If you know the amount and you top up to that amount and you try again and it doesn't go through, the second option I will let you know is you normally see here that will say update your payment method. So click on update your payment method and try with a new debit card, a different debit card if you have one, and then it will get resolved for you. If you try these two options and you don't get a solution, please, I will leave my WhatsApp and Telegram link in the description. You can follow it to contact me to help you. But this one is not for free. I will charge you to make sure that you get the solution you are looking for, and you can run ad on Facebook again and get results. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.